In the event that you're searching for Bitgert cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Bitgert Brise will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Bitgert Brise and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $5.16 and Brise is as of now positioned #556 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Bitgert is 395, 688, 215, 721, the 653 with a market cap of $61,846.48. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitgert's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.7% as of now. Bitgert is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Brise is down to nearly 152% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Bitgert value expectation number cruncher. Our Brise expectation number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models break down a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give an exhaustive forecast of Bitgert. Just info your ideal time period and see the likely anticipated worth of Bitgert. Our number cruncher will create a complete rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. Analyze the market capitalization of Bitgert and other top digital forms of money with our instinctive apparatus. Perceive how the complete worth of every digital money's flowing inventory piles facing others and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 cryptographic forms of money to think about their market cap and imagine the outcomes. We anticipate future Bitgert cost expectations Brise figure by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized examination on the past value information of Bitgert. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Brise coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Bitgert market cap, Bitgert volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Bitgert value forecast rundown. Bitgert Brise is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $1.53 constantly 2025. With the ongoing cost of $0.16, Bitgert holds its ground on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Bitgert in 2030 is supposed to be $2, with expected difference somewhere in the range of $2 and $2. Our Bitgert long-haul figure for 2050 recommends Brise possibly going somewhere in the range of $111 and $131. Bitgert Brise is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $86 toward the finish of 2040. Bitgert value expectation 2024. The cost of 1 Bitgert is supposed to reach at least degree of $19 in 2024. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2022 with the typical cost of $19 all through 2024. Bitgert value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Brise, in 2025 the cost of Bitgert is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.26. The Bitgert value worth can arrive at a limit of $10.33 with the typical exchanging worth of $10.27 in USD. Brise value figure for 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at least degree of $10.38. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $10.45 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.39. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2027. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $10.54 in 2027. The Bitgert cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.65 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.55 all through 2027. Bitgert value forecast 2028. Bitgert cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.77 in 2028. According to our discoveries, The Brise cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $93 with the typical figure cost of $79. Bitgert Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1 in 2029. The Bitgert cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1 with the typical cost of $1 all through 2029. Bitgert Brise Value Forecast 2030. Bitgert cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2 with the typical gauge cost of $2. Bitgert Value Conjecture 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Brise, in 2031 the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2. The Brise cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3 with the typical exchanging cost of $2. Bitgert Brise Value Expectation 2032. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $3. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4 with the typical worth of $4. Bitgert Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $5 in 2033. The Bitgert cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $6 with the typical exchanging cost of $5 all through 2033. Bitgert Value Gauge 2040. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $79. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $96 with the typical worth of $86. Brise Value Conjecture for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Bitgert cost estimate for 2050, Brise is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $131 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Brise coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $111, while the typical cost of the Bitgert for 2050 is projected to be $117. Bitgert Value Estimate Facts. How high could Bitgert at any point go? The typical cost of Bitgert Brise could go to $2019 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $2079 mark. What amount does Bitgert cost in 2025?